with heavy daytime foot traffic. The robot's panoramic vision helps us maintain full awareness of real-time conditions across the entire zone. Whenever an anomaly is detected, the system automatically activates the two-way voice intercom module to intervene on-site.
Emergency exit, no occupancy allowed. Emergency exit, no occupancy allowed. Emergency exit, no occupancy allowed.
During nighttime inspections, the system automatically locates obstructions, reports anomalies, and notifies merchants without human involvement. Nighttime is critical for market security. Previously, manual patrols struggled with blind spots. With the dual-spectrum PTZ module, the robot detects heat signatures across every corridor and corner, triggering alarms instantly.
Before, night shifts required constant patrolling. Now the robot handles most of it and reduces our workload significantly.
It felt new at first, but now we're used to it. With the robot here, we feel safer doing business, day and night.
This Guardian is amazing. It makes every international businessman feel very safe here.
I think robot industries are very has a good future. I always would love to see these robots and robots machines and all machines that has AI would have malls in the city and everywhere.